right, so we are back, guys, and I am going to basically start doing the cap corners today. I went on ahead and repaired that lower cap here, piece here. It was pretty ate up and everything, so I went on ahead and repaired all that there, made an edge on it, just fabricated, and we're about to put this cap corner on. So hey, I want to welcome you guys to my channel. Hey, if you guys are new to the channel, and this is what we do to stuff, and we have fun doing it, guys. So hey, if I haven't told you guys in a while, I am back with another video, guys, and today we're going to be doing cap corners. Yes, cap corners. I got two cap corners that I need to go ahead and repair. As you see, I already went on ahead and did the inner cap corners on these puppies, and now we have to go ahead and put them on, guys. So I do have to still repair this side, but I'll do the driver's side first. We still got to repair this lower cap here of the corner. I did the one on the driver's side first because that's the one we're going to work on first. So we're going to get some measurements and then we're going to start cutting out, guys. Let's get to it. Measurements so I can cut this again. Probably go down right there. I don't need all this cap corner. Alright, so it got me a scribe tool, and I'll scribe it in the back. Keep moving on. So I got my little scribe line there, and I'll cut it a little higher than what it's supposed to be. So let's go ahead and cut it and get back with you guys. Alright guys, so we are ready to try to tack this thing up. I had to do a little tweaking. I actually had to go back and I had to go to Harbor Freight and get me some more of these clamps, these butt weld clamps, because I did not have enough. And these things help me out a lot, even up the panels. So I am going to put a few more in here. And I also went and got me a long thing of pliers. I'm not sure if this is going to work or not, but we're going to find out. Yeah, oh yeah. I think this gonna work. Alright, good. These things here come in handy, guys. If you ain't never used these, you need to get them. They really do come in handy. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just show you real quick how I just do little tacks at a time to there, and then I'll take out my little butt wheel clamps. I take this one out and do like 2 little tacks there and keep going around. You can see that it's flush, even. Alright, turn you guys back on in a minute. Alright, I'm just going to show you guys a little tip here. So whenever I cut my cab corner to make it even all around, it was a little gap there that I cut a little long. So I take this 1/8 inch welding rod here to fill it so it won't burn through it. I just bent it. I don't know if you guys better see that. I just bent it like in place there. And I will actually put that slightly like that, and I would just tack it. There when you don't need whatever you don't need, and then I ground it down, and now I can weld it up without burning through anything. So that's just a little tech tip, guys. I know this is kind of boring, but also, as you see, I don't do every grind side by side. I actually skip because this angle grinder also gets hot as well. So you want to move around, take your time, and that way you won't warp your panel. As of right now, it's straight. We're doing good, so I'm going to stop and let it cool down. And then I get back to it, grinding it first, then I put some more spot welds on it.